This week my living room is getting fall treatment, but before I put out my fall decor, I thought I would share my summer version with you. I recorded this back in July before I went to Turkey, but I never had the chance to edit or upload for some reason. I guess this summer's theme for me was tropical as well as floral, so that's how I designed my living room. And welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy watching this video and found it inspirational. And if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Shule. I hope you like what you see and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with this lantern. I created a couple of floral candle arrangements should I say, and it was very versatile. Both of them I used it in many ways, and one of them is on my coffee table and the other one is in this lantern. Our friend from Florida was visiting us and he bought me this Sea Gallery gorgeous candle, and if you've been with me for a while you know how much I love Sea Gallery, and this book was new at the time. Back in July I bought it from Amazon. I revamped my floral arrangement by adding tropical leaves to go with my tropical theme. This beautiful hydrangea was from my garden and it really goes well next to my pink chair. This cushion was just perfect for the chair that I have. As soon as I saw it, I saw the potential. I bought it from Zara Home's sale in London. Again, going with the tropical theme, I place a lot of pineapples around the living room, and this one is the pink one and it's one of my favorites, and it used to be gold, stem was gold and I spray painted to silver. Let's go and check this side of the living room out. Let's see what's new. These cushions are new, I believe, and my artwork, probably you've seen that one before because I painted back in November. But I managed to hang my Sea Gallery wall scones and it looks absolutely beautiful next to its dupe version. Created those dupe versions for a challenge, and look for less challenge, so I'm going to put a card above if you want to know how I created them. And this large painting is called Don't Kill My Hope, and I'll probably tell you the story on another video, maybe fall tour video. I haven't finished with the tour, but I thought I would show you the night version of the lantern, and it really is beautiful. Even though I have to wait until like 10 p.m, around 10 p.m. in England, because around June, July time the sun doesn't go down until 10ish. I made a decorate with me to decorate this side table, and I will leave a card above. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I love to decorate the far corner of my table, and I use many different colors of pineapples. Speaking of pineapples, here's another one, a wall art that I created DIY. It used to be a mirror, but I broke it while I was painting it silver, so I did a video. If you haven't watched it, I will put a card above as well for this. And I still love, and I will always love, my purple mirrored Sea Gallery candle holders. They are absolutely gorgeous. Balance both sides of the window, I placed this artwork as it's the same size as the Sea Gallery wall scones. In this corner I wanted to create something to go with these little artworks, and I placed 3 lanterns. Let's see if you like them. The tallest one is from HomeSense, and this gorgeous turquoise one is from France, and I am actually elevating it using a glass orchid jar or orchid vase, should I say. I tried it without the elevation first, but the height difference was too much, so I decided to actually place it over this gorgeous vase. I wanted a coastal look for my lantern, first one, and I placed glass, broken glass and shells, glass shells around it, and I DIY'd the ribbon. Still going with the coastal theme, I decided to add this lantern as well, and this little light globe is from Home Bargains, and it was the perfect color and it was very coastal, so perfect for what I had in mind. I really enjoyed my summer look. I love my pineapples, but now I had to pack them all up, running out of space. I used to be able to move around the house, but no longer the case. I have to pack them up and put them in garage, and now they are in my summer decor box. And last weekend, after coming from Turkey, I had to open up my fall box, so this is unboxing for you. I don't have a lot. I am actually keeping everything in one whole box, and I have one more item that I keep it inside the house, and this is what I have. After the unboxing, I bought a couple of more pumpkins, so probably next year I'm going to have 2 boxes instead of 1 box. But I have many DIY projects and many decorate with me's for fall, so stay tuned for that. And if you are not already my subscriber, please do consider subscribing so you can actually watch relaxing as well as inspirational videos on my channel. And until next time, my friends, bye bye.